Looking ahead here to Wednesday, trick-or-treat weather on Halloween looks pretty good. Temperatures should be right around 70 as the sun sets before 6 p.m. And for the first few hours of the evening, temperatures just slowly falling into the upper 60s. So our Halloween forecast, the one thing that we'll have to watch for on Wednesday, some breezes coming in from the north by trick-or-treat time, probably at about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So it may feel a bit cool. This weekend, if you're doing any Halloween-related activities, it's going to be toasty during the afternoon. 84 today, 86 tomorrow, 84 again on Monday. But then a big drop down into the 70s, mid-70s for highs on Tuesday, which is pretty average for this time of late October. So here's this big warm ridge of high pressure. We've been tracking this all week. We've been watching it approach from Southern California. It's pretty much on top of us through the weekend, but it is going to get pushed down to our south and east early next week. That's because a storm system in the Pacific Northwest will send a cold front through Las Vegas on Monday night, and that sets us up for that big cool down Tuesday into Wednesday. Now, we're not looking at any rain chances with that cold front. We don't have to worry about any thick clouds for Halloween, but we will have some big temperature changes. Out there today, there will be some high clouds, thicker high clouds just barely to the north of Las Vegas this morning, but we'll have our sunshine filtered by those thin wispy cirrus clouds at times today. Then tomorrow afternoon, some thicker high clouds will show up from the south, but that's not going to slow down our warm-up temperatures tomorrow right back into the mid-80s. It's 60 right now at McCarran. Look for temperatures here in your 13-hour forecast to move out of the 50s and 60s and back into the mid-70s by midday. Highs should hit the low 80s this afternoon. A couple of the neighborhoods, Centennial Hills, 84. Summerlin, maybe about 79. We'll look for Sunrise Manor to get to 83. And then down toward Rhodes Ranch on the southwest side of town, 81. So a pretty pleasant Saturday. Low medium pollen levels. It's sagebrush, chenopod's, and elm that are floating around this time of year. So a few more clouds by the end of Sunday afternoon, but again, still quite mild. Partly to at times mostly cloudy on Monday, especially in the morning. And then the big changes, the big cool down shows up Tuesday, Wednesday, and it likely lasts through the rest of next week. Tom, the breezes Tuesday, Wednesday, and next week will be noticeable, and that's why the highs will only be in the 70s.